Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if you are facing any kind of problem, error while using the YONO SBI app on your Android phone or in your iPhone. As you can see guys, I am facing this error. Not only this error guys, if your app is not opening, keep crashing, showing any server error or fail to send OTP or simply won't let you log in. So in this video I will show you the most effective fixes for all major YONO app issue on both Android and iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end because the final fix solves the problem that many users overlook. So let's get started. Before changing any setting, check whether SBI server are experiencing issue or not. If the app suddenly stop working for many users at the same time, the problem may be on SBI side rather than your device. Wait few minutes and try again. Close everything and wait for 5 to 10 minutes at least and then try to open your app. And I am facing this error, so I will tap on continue anyway. As you can see guys, that screen was showing perfectly fine. Enter your password. Now it will 100% successfully log in our SBI YONO app, as you can see guys. In case still the problem is same on your side, you can try this method. Now you need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause this kind of issue on your app: login failure, timeout error or transaction fail issue. Or you can also face loading screen issue on your app. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and test the app again. So before opening YONO SBI app, open other app like Facebook, YouTube or any other web browser to check your internet. So in case there is no internet connection at the time, you can 100% definitely face any kind of problem error on your app. First need to sort out your internet issue. In case the internet is working very perfectly fine, and then you can easily able to open your app, it will fix your problem. Also you can try some other method. You need to force close and open the app. For iPhone user, just close the app and also you need to clear the app from the recent menu like this. Okay, now wait 5 to 10 seconds and then try to open the app. For Android phone user, from the app setting you can easily able to forcefully stop that particular app and open the app. It will fix your problem. For Android phone user guys, you can easily able to clear the app cache of your YONO SBI app. Open the app setting and clear the cache if you are using the Android phone. One more main important thing, you need to also update your YONO SBI app. Open the App Store if you are using the iPhone. Open the Play Store if you are using the Android phone. Simply search here YONO SBI. Okay, if the app update is available, simply go ahead. First of all, you need to update your app. After updating, try to log in your app. It will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh network services and background processes. If you are facing any OTP issue, OTP is not receiving on your YONO SBI app, at that time guys, you need to ensure your mobile number is properly linked to your SBI account, and also you need to activate SMS service on your active mobile number. Check your network signal on your phone, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Okay, and try to resend you the OTP from the app. It will 100% receive your OTP. After that, request a new OTP. It will fix your problem. If you are facing any login error, like login fail, authentication error, unable to log in, you need to try this method. Re-enter your password very carefully. Okay, if you have set typical password like small alphabet, capital alphabet, numbers, special character, enter the password correct. Check your internet connection as well. You need to also update your phone, then attempt to sign in again. It will fix your problem. If you are facing session timeout error usually occurs because of network interruption. Close the app completely, reconnect to the stable internet and sign in again. If your YONO SBI app crashing after some time, or if the app close immediately after you open, now you can try this method. You need to free up your internal storage of your Android and iPhone. If the storage is almost full, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem. Uninstall all unused application, games. You need to delete your all unused photos, videos, document, anything, and simply free up your phone storage. and it will fix your app crashing issue easily. And after trying this all method guys, still the problem is same. Last solution is this guys. Now you need to uninstall and reinstall your YONO SBI app on your both phone, Android and iPhone. This is the last and final solution. Make sure you know your login credential before performing these steps, okay, to restore the app to a fresh state. After trying this all method step by step, it will 100% fix your problem. So these are the most effective way to fix almost every SBI YONO app problem, including login error, server issue, OTP failure, timeout messages, freezing screens, crashes, and transaction related problem. If a specific error code appear on your screen, leave in the comments below and I may create a dedicated troubleshooting video for that particular issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction. See you in the next one.